know you niggas been waiting for this for a long time. Here it is.
Need to submerge traditional or philosophical differences and unite the country.
Continue. He has been unwilling to lend support to government efforts to eradicate the problem in Matabeleland. And so he
decided to grant a general amnesty to the following categories of persons. 1. Dissidents.
Lamang.
2. PF Zapu's political fugitives from justice.
Lamang.
3. Persons under detention or imprisonment for collaborating with dissidents.
Lamang.
4. Every prisoner with up to 12 months still to serve and who has already served not less than 1/3 of his or her prison sentence.
Lamang. Pastor Mshu.
Yeah, DGB. Got it down, baby. What should I call this one? Behind Bars Friday, right? I broke free from the chains, the dungeons, the dark days where Hades was skimming, screaming, or getting my heart stained. But it felt I'm covered, what you to stand. My peoples need a hand to break. This must have plan. I know the truth in my roots. That's my banditry youth. Too much 24 elders tell us the time and we shoot. Capo, the king, the slave, the seven, the game. Ghetto, the dream, the heaven, the sea, no man.
Pastor Mshu. Amgijinise kaloku lemshaya waze waphuma igazi ngendlela base umthatha behamba naye entabeni bafika bamdubula khona bathe sebemdubulile bamthatha bamsondeza entabeni bambalisa ngobuso bamthi so.
The 5th Brigade, blamed for the killings, is Mr. Mugabe's elite Praetorian Guard.
We have people beating up people. Why must people beat each other? Why must people beat the next person? Why must you teach people to hate?
Got shot against the Hades, death can save me or break me. Still on my tools, God set me. Redemption, lesson, ancient thought. Ambition killed him, Caesar's fault. Fresh shot against the Hades, 8, 4, 9 or 15. August 18, I'm in, bold fearless. Walking toes, street my business. Thug my conglomerates, I spit your thesis. Preachers, Jesus, reason God. I'm back like a black from the days of old. Fresh out of gates of Hades, death can fade me or cop off. Still on my tools, God set me. Fresh out of gates of Hades, death can fade me or break me. Still on my tools, God set me. Fresh out of gates of Hades, death can fade me or break me. Still on my tools, God set me.
This is no time to teach people to hate each other. This is the time to teach people to respect each other, to accept each other, not to hate, not to roar, not to kill. It is because we don't understand. Nobody must go about running around with grenades and with AKs at this time to try and persuade people by means of that. If you go about running around with AKs to persuade people, because you have no support. If you have support, you don't do things like that.
he has been unwilling to lend support to government efforts to eradicate the problem in Matabeleland.